In this video, let us solve this problem. So we have the volume of a fixed mass of gas is 200 centimeter cube at 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate its temperature when the volume is reduced to half its original at the same pressure. Now, this problem is a problem based on Charles' law, and Charles' law states that the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, provided that pressure is kept constant. So working with that, the first volume given to us is 200 centimeter cube. So writing it down, the V1 is equal to 200 centimeter cube, okay, at 27 degrees Celsius. So the temperature one, the first temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, right? But then convert it back to its absolute temperature by adding 273, right? So plus 273, that's equal to 300 Kelvin. Okay, good. We are then asked to calculate its temperature when the volume is reduced to half its original. So what is the value of the second temperature? T2 equals to question mark, right? When the volume, the second volume, right, V2 is then reduced to half its original. So half its original. The original initially was V1, right? So half times V1. And this is equal to half times V1 is 200 centimeter cube, so times 200. So 2 divide 200, you have 100. So 1 times 100 is 100 centimeter cube. Okay, good. So now to calculate the second temperature, if the volume is reduced to half its original, the formula to use following Charles' law is V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Okay, good. So the V1 is given to us as 200. So writing down 200, right? Then over the value of the T1 is 300. 300 is then equal to V2 right now is 100 centimeter cube, right? So 100 over T2 is question mark. So T2 is the unknown we have to look for. Okay, good. At this junction, we're then going to cross multiply, shows that T2 multiply 200 and 300 multiply 100. Okay, something like this. T2, right, times 200 is equal to 300 times 100. 300 times 100. Okay, to then solve for T2, divide both sides by 200. Okay, over 200 shows that 200 cancel 200. You have T2 is equal to 300 times 100 is 30,000 over 200. Okay, good. This is then equal to, if 200 divide 30,000, you're going to have 150, and the unit is going to be in Kelvin. Why? Because I've converted it to Kelvin, the first temperature to Kelvin. So this is the final answer.